Okay, so we got a commercial call. I guess we were just out on this thing back in October. Cleaned the flame sensor up. The thing ran okay, but the tech said if we got to come back, we're gonna have to replace the sensor in the wire. So let's see what. Oh, because the door's off. Maybe that's why. We will see. Man, it's sucking in some cold air. Yeah, right, sure. It's probably not making the It's probably not making the pressure switch. Maybe if the door's off. Let's see. Might be a quick fix. Yeah, I bet you that's what it is. Yeah, they ain't making the sensor. They ain't making the pressure sensor. That would cause the problem. Guess he just changed the belt. Well, there's your problem, lady. The door's off. Jeez, oh Pete's. Filters aren't too bad. There's your problem, lady. Why doesn't it work? Well, let's see if she sparks on up. I'm missing a latch. That's what I'm missing. See it laying around here anywhere, guys? I do not. That's kind of a shit design. Well, let's see if she sparks on up. That was a quick service call. Maybe. 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 Do. Where does that hose run? Yeah, if it's sucking all the air from down there and nothing past the switches, that would do it. I hope. I think it heard her spark up. And she is running. Flame is running. I don't think you guys will be able to see. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Can you see a flame? I can. Freaking garbage. You might be able to see it. But that was it, yeah. We weren't getting any weren't getting it. We weren't making our pressure switch. That's why. With that door off, it was just sucking air there, nothing sucking across here, so it wasn't making that switch. Yeah. Wait, which one is which? This one right here. It wasn't making that one. 160. Let's see if she stays running. She's still running. Still running. Well, that was a dumb call. Stupid door off. Well, that was no fun. We didn't even get to fix anything. We just got to put a door on. Something stupid. Some of your service calls are just downright dumb. Downright dumb. There you go. I didn't even have to bring my bag up here. Let's see how these filters are while I'm up here. It'll last another month. Right on. The door, the damn door. Oh, this is just one of the restaurants we take care of. We got a commercial division or a refrigeration division. Usually those guys take care of it, but they get busy just like we do on the residential side, and we fill in for each other. Oh shit, something, what just broke? I think my bag just busted. Holy crap, I think my strap just busted. Busted once, and then I kind of hacked it together, and I think it just bit the dust. Yeah, it did. Oh, my strap on my Veto bag. Hold on. Yeah, the strap busted. Look at that. Twink. There's the other part that busted, and I used a carabiner. Time for a new bag. That sucks. Now, whatever. What are you gonna do? Alright, let me get this down, and I'm all set on this one. It's downright dumb. Downright dumb. Some of them are just downright stupid. I'll get caught on something. Ooh. Sorry. Oh, I'm in the wrong slot. Bummer. I gotta go home and figure out how I'm gonna fix my strap. There's your problem. There's your problem, lady. Damn doors off. Alright, couldn't get any more simpler than that. I'll see you on the next one.